It's amazing today because it's the last one of these in this part. Today, here on the 20th of April 2025, we have Bäckbornas 37, only 3 floors. We get Silver SK 5475 built in 1991. Here's not 92 probably. DEVE-Schindler.
Or 1992.
Oh, yeah, 92.
Inspected by... Can you ask that maintained by ITK?
It's only numbers 17, 19, 23, and 35 are left. 4.
Close the door.
Yes.
Nobody's going for... That's